can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Decentraland, Mana. The last 1 month has seen Mana lose 19% of its value. Mana over the last 1 year is down 27%. But the altcoin market is bubbling over the last 1 week, and we've seen Mana rise by 3.5%, which begs the $1,000,000 question. How high can Mana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll take a look at Decentraland Mana performance against the US dollar. We're getting ready for that epic alt-season pump where we're going to face resistance in the coming days and coming weeks. We'll look at Mana's performance against Bitcoin, Mana's performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Mana's market cap, which sits around the $500 million level. Right now, there's great in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Mana? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Decentraland Mana currently trades around $0.28 with 24-hour trading volume of more than $36 million. A fully diluted market cap sitting at $621 million. Mana has over 290,000 holders. The all-time high for Mana happened on 25th of November 2021. That was 4 years ago. Mana traded for as high as $5.90. Right now it's down 95% from its all-time highs. If you remember the 2021 pump, the Metaverse was the craze. Decentraland Mana was one of those altcoins that was going to the moon. Decentraland Mana defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, experience, and monetize content and application. In this virtual world, users possess plots of land that they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. If you look at Decentraland Mana's performance against the US dollar, huge pumps along the way. But at the same time, guys, we always see Decentraland Mana give us huge dumps along the way. And one of those huge pumps along the way was what Decentraland Mana did first in 2017. So that epic bull market rally, we saw Decentraland Mana rallying up by more than 3,400%. In its first full crypto bear market, all coins can be very volatile. That's one of my singing tunes on this channel. All coins can be volatile. The volatility is a future, it's not a bug, because the volatility is what will help you go to the moon. At the same time, is the volatility that will help you dump to Goblin Town during the bear market. And that's what happened for Decentraland Mana during its first full crypto bear market. We saw this altcoin losing around 95% of its value. It took about 2 years, but it did what's done. Decentraland Mana eventually dumped aggressively to complete down when the pump started coming. When the pump in 2021 came, guys, this was a pump to behold. This was a pump to call your friends. This was a pump to call your family members, because we were heading straight to the moon. Now, how high did we go in 2021 for Decentraland Mana? When the pump came, when everything was set, we saw this altcoin rallying aggressively to the moon. We saw Decentraland Mana even getting up to as high as that $5 region, pumping by more than 39,000%. For context sake, $1,000 invested in Decentraland Mana would have given you more than $394,000 at the end of a bull market. Huge pumps to the upside, but guys, huge dumps to the downside. Yet again, it's a recurring pattern in the altcoin market. We are forever having swings of up price action and swings of down price action. We're always having pumps, we're always having dumps. It will never end. And since 2021, Decentraland Mana has been in a decline. We've seen it steadily dropping, finally getting to a new low in March of 2021. It already lost 96% of its value in that process. Expecting alt season is when all coins are outperforming Bitcoin. Alt season is when your favorite altcoin could easily go up 10x, 20x, 50x, maybe even 100x, as I showed you guys, as Decentraland Mana has done in the previous bull market, and dumping 96%, 90%, 99%. That's a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. What we're chasing is those times that these altcoins will outperform. Critical levels to watch out for in the coming days and coming weeks when that pump starts. First, we might easily get rejected at that $0.4 level. Got rejected there very recently. I will not be shocked if that still turns out to be a rejection point. But the main point to watch out for, when we've gotten rejected multiple times, it has been a resistance, turn support, it has been a support, turn resistance. Now it's a place where we cannot rally above. That's the $0.79 level. If Decentraland Mana can get above this level, that's when things will get bullish. That's when you see market participants going crazy. But one thing is sure, the final phase of the market cycle is when people go all in. The final phase of the market cycle is when market participants get excessively greedy. And I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see an example of that. Maybe not outrageous pump to all-time highs, but I'll not be shocked to see a rally of around 200 to 300% in the coming days and coming weeks. Things can move swiftly in the cryptocurrency market. Things can move very, very quickly. You have to be one step ahead. If you want to buy Decentraland mana for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Decentraland mana right there. Remember, guys, your number one job in the market is to buy low and to sell high. To buy when there is fear and to sell when there is greed. And right now, we're getting ready to enter that period of greed. Hopefully, that period of extreme greed in the coming days and coming weeks. If you take a look at the crypto fear and greed index, it tells us right now there's greed in the market. Yesterday there was greed in the market. Last week there was greed in the market. Last month there was greed in the market. And if you go over to the 3 months time frame chart, you see that over the last 3 months we have swung from extreme fear in April 2025 towards extreme greed in May of 2025. So in the coming days and coming weeks, as we take a look at Decentraland mana's performance against Bitcoin, we should expect to see it outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because that's what all coins do at the ending part of the cycle. Not just that, guys. A lot of market participants have gotten rich from their Bitcoin and Ethereum trade. Guess what they'll be doing right now? They'll be finding more ways to make some more money, and that will lead them down to the altcoin market. Take a look at what Decentraland mana did in the previous bull market. If you bought it in December 20 of 2020, that was a wonderful time to get in, because the next 336 days was a wonder to behold. More than a 4,000% increase against Bitcoin, which is crazy to see. Just one Bitcoin in Decentraland mana would have helped you get 45 Bitcoins at the end of a bull market. But then it works both ways. What can give you 45 Bitcoin could also take your 45 Bitcoins away. And we saw Decentraland mana in that time frame losing around 96% of its value against Bitcoin. So in the coming days and coming weeks, guys, I'll be expecting one big pump for Decentraland mana against Bitcoin, maybe 100 to 200% pump, nothing crazy like 1,000% pump. But remember, this is crypto, anything is possible. We have to take it one step at a time. So 100 to 200% pump will be likely. We take a look at Decentraland mana's performance against Ethereum, similar price action, similar story. We are performing well when the market is bullish. When the market gets bearish, you want to run for the hills. When the market gets bearish, you want to run into safety. And safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. That's why when you see the market get bullish, that's the market is off. It's off its safety mode. Everybody's going YOLO. We're going to the moon. That's when you see altcoins performing well. That's when you see altcoins giving us 2x, 3x, 4x, maybe even that 10x you have been chasing. Look at Decentraland mana's market cap. We saw it getting to new all-time highs in 2021. The previous all-time highs that came in 2017 was around the $398 million level. When we went to the bear market, we raised most of those gains. Decentraland mana's market cap went back to as low as $14 million. But 2021 rolled around, we saw the market cap shoot back up to as high as $10 billion. That was an awesome pump. That was a very, very crazy pump. But then in the 2022-2023 bear market, Decentraland mana has been stuck in a range. We have been stuck around the $500 million level to as high as the $1.5 billion region. In the coming days and coming weeks, I'll expect to have a huge rally busting above it, but nothing crazy, no all-time highs. I'll not be shocked to see that rally stop around that $2.5, $2.6 billion level. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Decentraland mana right now? Do you believe alt season is around the corner? How high do you even see mana going in that forthcoming alt season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.